Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you fix Roblox error 277. So first of all, what you can try doing is that simply go to your Windows Start button and search for add or remove programs. Now on this application, what you have to do is that you simply have to search for Roblox player. I don't have Roblox installed on my system, but on your system you will see an application called Roblox player right over here. So you simply have to uninstall that application. Once you do that, you simply have to close this application and go to the Microsoft Store application. Now on this page, what you simply have to do is that you can try installing Roblox from this application, as this Microsoft Store is the official store to download any application on your PC. So you simply have to search for Roblox and click on the first option. Then you can simply click on the install button and reinstall Roblox on your device. So by following this video, you can very easily learn how can you fix the error code 277 on Roblox. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.